Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NOLAY, and honey, it is, what time is it? What time is it? It is 5:05 Sunday, January 21st, and honey, I got something to say. I got a lot of stuff to say this morning, because honey, I was just up in my spirit. I was just looking, reading through DMs and whatnot, and I was just, I felt something just irked my spirit, honey. I don't know. I don't know. I just got an angry spirit in me, and I just had to get out and say something. So this video is probably gonna just be like a little rant or whatnot, but it's mainly gonna be talking about some of these artists in the art industry. And it mainly has to deal with underpaid artists taking some BS just because, oh, their client is a big person or a big personality or something. This irks me real bad because a lot of people know that I take my business very seriously. So let me just start off by saying this. Just because somebody is a huge personality does not mean you are not entitled to the same type of payment as the next person that they hire professionally. That does not mean a thing, honey. Let me tell you something. Say, my old girlfriend, a good friend of mine, she was like, oh, I just let him pay me whatever he wanted to pay me. Honey, what? No, hold up. Let me just say this. When you are an artist and this is your bread and butter, this is the way you make your money, this is the way you eat in the morning, this is the way you send your kids off to college, this is the way you put food on the table for your family, you provide for your family members. When this is the only way you have to provide for your family members and basically live the lifestyle you want to live, you're not about to sit here and be like, oh, I'm gonna let him pay me whatever he want to pay me. You know, he's a huge personality, so it doesn't matter. I'm getting something. Hold up, honey. No. Now I don't care how big you is. You're not gonna sit here and use clout as no leverage for payment. I don't care who the hell you are. You could be Obama. You could be Donald Trump. You could be Cardi B. You can be Nicki Minaj. I don't give a damn. Okay? Because this is my thing. This is how I provide. This is how I provide, and this is how I eat. Okay? So I am going to sit here and hold you to the same standard as I would do any other client that is not a huge name or a personality. I'm sorry. That's just me. You call me an asshole if you want to. That is just me, and it is the truth. I am tired of y'all artists these days sitting here letting yourself be degraded, letting your artwork be disrespected like that. I find it as disrespect. This is just my personal opinion. You can like it if you don't want to. You can dislike it. Call me ignorant. It honestly does not matter because this is just my opinion. I find it disrespectful when a client or a person that is of higher standard, I find it disrespectful when they come to an artist and be like, hey, yo, I have clout or I have fans. I'll put your name out there in exchange for some artwork. Now, it's probably different from that's two people probably look at it a different way. If you're new to the game, you don't really got a name or something like that, you could probably be like, hey, yo, okay, you know what I'm saying? But as someone that's doing good for themselves, done work for other people, I find that as disrespect. I'm sorry. And I don't understand it. I don't understand it, y'all. I don't know. What am I missing? I don't know if I'm just not seeing it, or I'm just reading too much into it, or I'm just, too conceited. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. But I just don't see the point of that. I just don't know what it is. And I don't know what to say to y'all. I don't know what to say, y'all. Another thing I got a little something else on my soul now. Y'all gonna sit here for probably about 15 minutes. So get your coffee, get your tea, get your snacks, get your Doritos, get something, honey, because y'all gonna be here for a little while if you last this long. So another thing I wanted to talk about is, you know, this is just coming from what I'm hearing in the streets and the interwebs. You know what I'm saying? This is just what be hitting my DMs. So another thing I want to talk about is an artist not valuing their time, and that gets on my nerve a little bit. That really does, because it's like, okay, when you're dealing with a client, that wants to basically, I want to say, change up every little idea like every 5 seconds. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. You're going to spend more time. Changing, fixing this, that, and the third that they don't like. I understand, it's, the client is always right. But, honey, when it gets to the point where you basically done had to redo the entire goddamn piece, you might as well charge the separate fee. And they might as well just pay another damn price for another damn piece, because that's exactly what the hell it is, honey. That's exactly what the hell it is. Now, see, I feel like, a lot of artists, y'all need to start charging for, some time. Y'all need to start charging for y'all time. Oh, if it takes you about 2 or 3 hours to do this little fix or this little change that they want you to do, and it basically is changing up the, entire, idea of the piece, I'm sorry, honey, you're going to have to start charging some hours. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have to start charging some hourly rates. You know what I'm saying? So $15, $20, $25, $35, $30 an hour or something. Because y'all just doing too much with that. I'm sorry, I'm not about to sit here and make 20, 25, 30 damn changes and make it an entirely new piece for some basic ass shit for no pay. I'm sorry, I'm not about to do all that. Because time is money. As an artist, time is money. Because the time you spend in making all these different types of changes, you could be working on, get another client, or working on another client, finishing their stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a holdup. It's a big holdup. It's a holdup, and it is not needed. It is not needed. Make sure that you guys have yourselves secure. Okay, there needs to be some type of agreement in place. There need to be a TOS in place. Oh, this is gonna happen. There needs to be some guidelines or something, because there are people out here in this art industry trying to fuck everybody goddamn over, and trying to get away with murder. It seems shit. Because at the end of the damn day, this is how you eat. This is how you get your money. This is how you make a living. You can't be sitting around here playing, because from where I'm from, you don't play around with money. You play around with money, somebody about to come find your ass and knock you off and throw you up in the river. That's where I'm from. That's where they do that. If you playing with some money, and where I'm from, prices are not negotiable. You either buy or walk. That's what happens where I'm from. Prices are not negotiable. They are not. Now, I ain't saying that all prices are not negotiable or whatever, but when you got somebody sitting over here, let's say you charge $300 some dollars a piece, right? Let's say you charge $300 some dollars a piece. You know what I'm saying? And they sit over here and try to tell you that, oh, it's not worth $300. That your work is not worth $300. It's worth $100. It's worth like $100 some dollars, and I'm only gonna pay $100 some dollars. But they have clout. Like, boy, we see you. We see you with your 3 million subscribers on Instagram, your followers on Instagram, your 4 million something subscribers on YouTube. Your Twitch you have about at least 5,000 subs on the Twitch. You know what I'm saying? 5,000 subs on Twitch. Honey, we know you got money. We know you got money. Stop being a cheap ass. You could easily go find another artist. You could go find another artist and get over it. You know what? It is not that serious. I ain't trying to talk like I'm above y'all, whatever. I'm speaking as someone from experience, and this is for other people that do not have that type of experience or as long as experience as I do, because I've been in the game for 16 years, And honey, let me tell you something. In 16 years, you learn something. You go through every single damn thing that you can probably go through when it comes to taking commissions and making a living off this thing here. It don't matter if they got clout. Shit, what the hell clout gonna do? Is clout gonna pay your bills? Shit, is clout gonna pay your bills? It probably can potentially pay your bills. Potentially. But is it worth it to, is it that worth? Like, is it worth like not being able to wake up and pay your bills? Like, is it worth not being able to go to Starbucks, get you that venti fucking drink that you like? I don't know shit about Starbucks. I'm just going off of what's in my head. I don't know shit about Starbucks. Do not come at me. I never had Starbucks a day in my life. I'll go to McDonald's and get me a goddamn a black coffee with some hazelnut cream up in there and call it a damn day. And for 99 cents, that's what I would do. That's just me, though. Some of these people just trying to get away with highway robbery, it seems. They over there acting like Ra Ali from Love and Hip Hop over there stealing them stilettos. Ooh, that was nasty. Ooh, that was nasty. I don't think I should have said that. That's what we need to do to become better artists and better business people as well. Better business people as well. Because at the end of the day, this is a business. And a little bit I learned about in business, everybody's going to look out for themselves and make sure they eating at the end of the day. They ain't going to look out for you and make sure you eating. They're going to look out and make sure that they eating every damn day. Everybody up in this business, everybody dealing with business, period, is always going to be looking out for themselves before they look out for you. They ain't gonna sit over here and make sure that your car note is paid. They gonna sit there and make sure that their car note is paid though. On that Ferrari or that Bentley or that C-Class Benz that ain't even a car. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that was messy. But you know, this is just a little rant. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to like bash nobody. It's none of that. I'm just trying to give you guys some type of wisdom or some type of guidance, or just, you know, basically express my opinion. Cause we are in, I am in America. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna express my opinion while I can before Donald Trump ass take that shit away from me too. No tea, no shade. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all up out of here. It's about to be 5:30. This is basically a 30-minute rant. I'm probably gonna cut it down, but thank you guys for the support and the continuous love that I get from you guys all across my social media platforms. And if you're not already, subscribe and a little bell icon so that way you can stay on key with when I upload. So I'm gonna go ahead, get all up out of here, go to McDaniel's and get my coffee, and probably get me a sausage biscuit with some hash browns with some strawberry jelly. Ooh, that sounds good, honey. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Thank you guys for the continuous support on all my social media platforms. And thank you for supporting my art. Because I would not be where I'm at, and I would not have the commissions I have, or the little bit of loyal fan base that I have, if it wasn't for you guys and believing in my artwork. So thank you so much. I can't thank you guys enough. And I promise to give you more YouTube content. I'm trying. Y'all know me and schedules, honey. They don't usually work out too well. But you know, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. But yeah, I will see you guys later. If you enjoyed the video, and I also, if you enjoyed the video, join the family, join, you know, Thought Lantia. I call my little thing Thought Lantia because I'm a thought. So, you know, I call, you know, my little thing, my little fan base is the home. I call it Thought Lantia. And I want to know what you think. I want to know what you think. Do you agree, disagree with what I'm saying? I want to know what you think. Leave a comment down below, and we can sit here and have a discussion, honey, because I love debating, honey. I was head of debate class in high school, honey, so I would love to sit here and debate with y'all and see y'all point of views. I would love to. Now, I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.